This call is now being recorded.
Hi everyone. So today this tutorial will be divided into two parts. In part 1 we'll create a folder, and inside that folder we will create items. And in part 2 of the tutorial I'll create a folder, and inside that folder we will create subfolders, and inside subfolder we will add some items. So part 1 is how to create a folder and then how to add items in that folder. So first of all, when you are on your home screen, on the root screen, you need to go wherever you want to create a folder. You need to browse that screen. So if you want on your home screen, then you will create on the home screen. But if you want to create a folder inside some folder, like I'm going to create in Rohan. So I am going to double tap on Rohan. So I double tap Rohan, and here I want to add foods for Rohan. So what I'm going to do, I entered in Rohan folder by double tapping on Rohan, and now I am going to edit the mode. Press edit. When you press edit, you are in the edit mode. Always remember that whenever you want to create, delete or modify any folder, any item, then you have to be in the edit mode. Without edit mode, you cannot change the items or the folders, or you cannot delete anything. So you have to always be in the edit mode if you want to make some changes. So now I'm in the edit mode. I'm going to create a folder here for Rohan that is named add new folder, and this folder is named food. I created food. I will take a icon from the AVAZ. I can take a picture for the food from the AVAZ inbuilt picture library, or I can change it and I can take a picture from internet, and I can create some picture like this from internet. I have taken a picture, or what I can do, I can go to my camera, click picture of food. I don't have any food item here, so I can click a picture of food, and I can set it as my food icon here. So I'm going to add an AVAZ inbuilt picture library, a picture from inbuilt picture library. Now I can also record here if I want to change some children might say khana, or they're in native language, they would understand food. In that case, what you can do, you can record your own voice, and you can save that. So you have to go in the mic where you see the mic option, press that khana. Once you are done, press the square to stop it. Now I can play it, and this yes, and I can save it by the green tick mark. Now this folder has been created. Food has been created. Next step is to go in this folder and to create items inside this folder. So double tap on food again, and remember you need to be in the edit mode. And so don't come out of the edit mode. I'm still in the edit mode, which you can see that edit is a little pink color right now. So we are in edit mode. I'm double tapping on the food icon. Now I want to add few food items here for my child. So what I can do, add new. I can add one by one. So if you want to add one by one, then you will say add new word, and I say here biscuit. Again, you can select the picture from the AVAZ built-in picture library, or you can change the picture from the internet, from the web. The images will be coming from Google Images, or you can click your own pictures using the camera option and set your own picture. So, okay, if your child says something else to the biscuit, then again you can record it. Or if you don't record, then it will be when Avaz will speak it out, it will be called biscuit. So if you want to record, I can say cookie. So I have added one item. This is the way we can add one by one item. So what I did, add new word. If you want to add many items together, you can go to add new multiple items. Multiple items, what you have to do is like namkeen and separate by comma, then all items need to be separated by comma. Tick. And once you are done, you can add as many as items you want. So I am adding 4 items. I will say done, and you can see you can say you can see that these are added. So sometimes the images might not be there. So what you have to do, click on that. Sorry, check this. Now go to change picture. You can change. Namkeen is not there in Avaz picture library, so we can take namkeen from internet. Okay, and done. Banana, because the spelling is not, I have mistaken the spelling, so the image is not coming. So you have to be very careful with the spellings. So I again select banana, go to change, and if I change the spelling of banana, then I get the pictures. Okay, so this way I have added uh, items inside a folder. Now I'm done adding my items. So what I have to do, I have to come out of the edit mode. So you have to tap on the, just single tap on the edit mode, and you can say that the color has been changed from light pink to gray. So we are out of the edit mode now. I can go here, Rohan. I can check my folder. This is my food item. Here, biscuit, namkeen, chips, apple, and banana. So food folder has been added for Rohan. Okay. So again, this is one way of adding the items inside a folder. In part 2, now what I'm going to do now, I will create a folder called food, and in that food I will create subcategories like fruits, snacks, then biscuits, some subcategories inside the food. So fruits, vegetables, biscuits, grains, desserts, something like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do again, as I'm going to make changes, and I told you earlier also, whenever we want to change, make the changes, we have to go in the edit mode. So what I'm going to do now, I will add a new folder. From here also you can add a new folder. What I did, I will show it again. Go to edit mode. Here you can see plus sign. Just tap on that plus sign. It says word or folder. I say folder, and I say food, and I will rename it to food 2. Okay, or some meaningful thing. Food folder, foods. I changed it to foods. Okay. Now Again, you can see I can see many images from the web. I take this, and again, if you want to record Hana, okay, and tick. Okay. Now my foods is created here. You can see, and I'm still into the edit mode. Now tap on this foods folder, and I want to create new subfolders inside the folder. So food is one folder, and I want a nested food, and then inside that food vegetables and fruits and cereals or nuts, something like that. So again, go to plus. What I want to create now, a folder. So I go to folder and I say fruits, tick, fruits. Okay. Again, I create a folder, vegetables, vegetables. Okay. Again, I want to create a folder, snacks. Okay. So I have created 3 subfolders inside a folder called food. Now I want to add items inside fruits. Double tap on fruits. Make sure check on the top home, Rohan, foods, fruits. So make sure that you are inside that folder where you want to add the items now. So I am checking foods and fruits. I am inside fruits, and now I have to add items for fruits. I will add multiple items, or I can add one item at a time. If you want to add one item at a time, just press plus and say word, and here you will type added banana. I want to add for three four fruits together. Add new multiple items, and again I will type go separate by a comma. So do remember to separate them by a comma, and comma. Okay. You can see I have added again 4 items to all together in one go. This is a way you can add multiple items, or you can add one item by item. That depends on your customization needs, how you are going to add that. Now fruits is done. I have added fruits. I will go to foods again. Tap on the food. You will be back to foods folder. Now I want to add vegetables. So tap on vegetables, double tap on vegetables, and make sure you are inside the vegetables folder now, because you are going to add vegetables now. So if the nesting is not correct, if by mistake you remain in the foods, you don't go into the vegetables folder, or you remain in the fruits folder, then you won't be able to see vegetables inside your vegetables folder, and they will be created somewhere else. So you have to be very much sure that you are inside a correct subfolder. Okay, so for that you need to check on the top, like home, Rohan, foods, vegetables. Okay, so I am inside the vegetable folder. Now I will add multiple items together. So what I am going to do, potato, comma, onion, comma, whatever you want to add, brinjal, Done. Here, lady finger is spelled, it is spelled incorrect. So I will change it. Lady, I think it needs a space. Lady finger, change picture. So AVAZ picture library does not have any picture with lady finger. So I am going to web and I add it from web. You can add your own pictures as well. Okay. So now I have added vegetables. Now I will again go back to my foods folder, home, Rohan, foods. Now I am going to add snacks. I will add one word by one snack at a time. So I add here biscuit. Then I am adding words now. If you can see, chips. And again I will add multiple items like bread, jam, um, bhujia. Okay, and done. Again, bhujia is something that is not in the AVAZ library. So what I will do, I select bhujia by tapping on it, tap it, you will see a tick mark, go to change and check change picture and check the web for bhujia picture. Here I can see bhujia. And again, if the picture is not available on internet or in the AVAZ library, you can add your own picture, own food item pictures. Now I am going out of the edit mode. If you see, I tap on edit mode and now I am again in the gray shade. The edit mode is in the gray color now. Now I can see food, and these foods have three subcategories: fruits, vegetable, and snacks. And inside those fruits, I have five fruits. Vegetables, I have vegetables, and food snacks, I have snacks. So this is the way we create folders and subfolders, and inside the folders, how do we create items. So this is the demonstration how we can create folders in items inside the folder or subfolders inside a folder. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you very much and wish you a happy learning. Wish the child a happy learning. All the very best. Thank you very much.